Hey loves, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my homemade shawarma that is crunchy on the outside, perfectly wrapped, and it's juicy on the inside. As you can see, the juice is already dripping. So let's get right into the video. We already mixed our cream, which is a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise with a little bit of pepper. We have our boiled beef. We have our smoked chicken franks or sausages as you call it. We have our cabbage and carrot that has been diced, and our shawarma bread. I'll show you the technique I use in removing this and wrapping it. You need a non-stick pan or a grill pan, whichever one you have. Add in some oil into your non-stick pan or your grill pan and then toast your sausages or chicken franks for a few minutes. Just keep turning from side to side until it's perfectly toasted. This doesn't take long to get toasted. Take it out of the pan and repeat the same thing for the beef. You can sprinkle in some peppers if you like. Customize this according to how you please. If you have some chicken, you can also include this. In a clean bowl, add in your diced cabbage and carrots into the bowl. I have 2 portions of this, but I'll add this first. So you're going to add your cream to this and give it a stir. There are several methods to making sure that your shawarma drips. The first one is to add more cream to this cabbage and carrot mixture, and the second one is to add just a little cream to this mixture, and after spreading everything, you now drizzle more cream on it before you wrap it. So I'm going to add more cabbage and carrot to this because I don't want the shawarma to drip too much, but I just had to share that idea with you. So I've added in our chicken, our grilled chicken, and I'm going to add some pepper because I want it spicy. So I added more of the cabbage and carrot to it. Now if you do not want this much carrot, just reduce it. I did this according to how I love it. And if you want double beef, go ahead and add double of the beef quantity I used, but this is what it looks like right now. For the bread, I'll be using this brand called Candy. You just want to take out one and wrap it because it can get dry. So you can start with a knife, run it through the sides or where it meets. I'll show you that in a bit. Yes, you can run it through this way, or you can also make use of your hands. Just open it from the seam or where it meets. You have to be careful when doing this. Another alternative you can use is to make use of a scissors. Make sure your scissors is clean. You can use your scissors. I like this method because it's so fast for me, or I use my hands. But if you don't know how to use your hands and you don't want to rip it apart, you can use a knife or a scissors as I showed you earlier. All you want to do is separate the wrap so you can have 2 wraps. Now most times when you separate the wrap, one would have torn. So what you want to do is to place the first wrap that is not torn, place it down, and then the next one. So the part that is torn, you want to place it on the other side. Now this part is optional, but I like to do it this way. If you want your juicy shawarma, you can coat your wrap with the cream, or if you do not like it this way, just coat the edges of your wraps. Coat the edges so that it can help you seal. This helps to seal the shawarma so that when it gets into the pan, it grills and it does not open or scatter. So that's another trick. All you want to do is place your filling in the middle and just put your chicken franks by the side. If you want it double it. If you have the bigger size, you can use it, and just fold like I'm doing. So because you've already spread the cream on the edges, it would help this seal faster and easily. So you don't have to force it to a point where you're breaking your wraps, because the wraps can be delicate. And all you want to do is just roll firmly. Don't tear it, just roll firmly. So you can see how wrapped it is. You can also still tuck in the sides since you have cream on the edges. Do you understand? I'm sure you do. So if you are still watching up to this point, please click on the like button, like this video so that YouTube can share it with more people and it can help them also. Also subscribe for more videos so that you can be notified whenever I drop the next video. And that was how I wrapped the double one. I'm just going to wrap again for you to see. You can use one sausage or chicken franks. You can also use double. You can use double beef. You can use chicken for this recipe. But all you want to do is wrap it as I've showed you. Add some cream to the edges to help you seal up your shawarma. And once you're done, you set everything aside. You can set it aside on a tray depending on the amount that your grill pan can take. And if you don't have a grill pan at home, you can make use of your non-stick pan also. But I have a grill pan, so I'll show you what it will look like. So I'm just repeating it for you to see how easy it is to wrap your shawarma like a pro. And now that we're done, you must have preheated your grill pan for about a minute or two. Make sure it's just a little hot, and you're just going to place it. We made 5 pieces in this video, so I'm just going to arrange it because my grill pan can take the 5 pieces I made, and I'm just going to allow this grill on one side for about 3, 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. So you want to keep checking till it's ready, and once it's ready, you just flip it. So you can use your hands to flip it or you can use something. You can use a fork, you can use anything to just make sure you flip it. Now if you do not like your shawarma wrap to be crunchy, you can just leave it for about 2 minutes and take it out, but I like mine crunchy, so I left it for about 4 minutes on each side, and trust me, it tasted so delicious. You can make this at home for your family and friends. I mean, take a look at this. So our shawarma is ready and it's already dripping. I'm just going to cut through so that you can see what it looks like. I made the double sausage or chicken franks and I made the single, but I think I'm cutting the single right now. You can see. So let's see what it looks like. The cream is already dripping. And the big reveal, so if you want more of cabbage, use more cabbage. If you want double chicken, use chicken. If you want double beef, use the double beef. And this is what our shawarma looks like. I'm going to take a bite right now so that you can see. This tasted so delicious. Everyone enjoyed it. If you want to send this to somebody, use a foil paper. Just wrap it in a foil paper as shown in this video. Make sure you wrap the ends of it also. This will just allow your shawarma stay hot for a longer period of time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a beautiful comment or suggestion in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.